How to hide friend list on Facebook. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. The very first step is to open your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line. Scroll down and head over to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. The option of Privacy Checkup will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will land you on this page. Head over to the very first option, Who can see what you share. Tap on Continue. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option where it says Who can see your friend list on your profile. Now tap on this icon. As you're looking for on how to hide the friend list, you need to set the settings to Only Me. You can also set the second option to Only Me. Now tap on Next. Once again tap on Next. There you go, your friend list on your Facebook has been hidden successfully. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to hide friend list on Facebook. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.